An anti-aircraft alert was issued across Ukraine overnight. The Air Force reported that Russia launched Onyx and Kalibr missiles and Shahed drones. The main target of the attack was the Odessa region, including port infrastructure in the region. A fire broke out in one of the buildings in Odessa, according to the head of the authorities there, Ole Kipa. According to some media outlets, the target of the attack was the Odessa hotel, which was to have housed the Ukrainian military headquarters. There was also other damage to infrastructure. The enemy viciously attacked our ports. The Odessa naval station suffered significant damage. There was a fire in the hotel building, which has been closed for several years. Onyx missiles destroyed grain warehouses, the defense forces of the south confirmed in a statement. There are already US Abrams tanks in Ukraine which are soon to reinforce the counteroffensive. More of the 31 promised Abrams will be sent to Ukraine in the coming months. Recent operations by Ukrainian special forces against targets in Sevastopol in Russian-occupied Crimea have killed 96 occupiers, including Black Sea Fleet Commander Admiral Viktor Sokolov. The landing ship Minsk was also destroyed, the Ukrainian Army's Special Operations Forces reported on Monday.